All right, didn't miss a beat. All right, some sort of monkey grass. You know, the roots of monkey grass are very medicinal. Very medicinal. Anyway, we are looking for food. Wild lettuce. Wild lettuce. Cook it up, though. You can eat it raw, and I do eat it raw, but cook it up and eat it like a pod herb. If you eat it raw, don't eat too much. It kind of has a little bit of an opioid effect. It's not an opioid. It just has that little bit of a calm you down kind of thing. Okay, we got ground cherries. These are ground cherries. See the husk? Wait for those husks to ripen, then they fall. And if you can beat the animals, you can eat that little cherry tomato type fruit when it is ripe, and it is not ripe until it is yellow or orange. That's what these are. These are all ground cherries. All over the place. So you can actually pick them when they the husk starts to turn brown, and keep them and save them, and they'll ripen like that. Indoors, outdoors, whatever. Make an excellent wild edible. I've got some sitting on my windowsill at home that I picked. Of course, you got the sweet gum. It can be done like pine needle tea. Take those seeds, the infertile seeds, and make a medicine out of it. It's got an acid in it, the same acid that is in Tamiflu. Good for flus. Curly dock, where there's one, there's more. Excellent. Whole plant's edible. The root is more medicinal. Leaves and seeds are edible, make an excellent survival food. Excellent anytime food. Okay, we got dewberry vines. Leaves are edible just like blackberries, or just like Indian strawberries. Cook them up like a pot herb. Now this is Indian strawberry. Cook it up like a pot herb. It's everywhere. Excellent for you. All right. Blackberries everywhere. Of course, there's no berries this time of year with the leaves. Just like the muscadine leaves can be eaten. All right, let's keep moving. All right, we got Beautyberry. American Beautyberry, I said before, leaves are an excellent natural insect repellent. Crush them up, rub them on you. Beautyberry, excellent food source. Excellent food source. People make jams and jellies out of them. You can eat them raw. They make an excellent survival food. All right, this thing is winding down. And there's prickly lettuce everywhere, so you get tons of food. Of course, you find a maple tree, you've got the sap, it's a sugary, gives you some sugars. And you can eat the young leaves. Hickory can be tapped the same way. Okay, we got green briar. I don't know if I did one or not, but anyway, young leaves and young shoots can be eaten raw. The older leaves need to be cooked, and the root can be made into a starchy drink. All right, this is an elm, and this is a cork elm or winged elm. We're going into the fall, so those leaves ain't edible right now, but in the summer and spring, the leaves are edible. Probably need to cook them up a little. The younger, the better. And of course, the inner bark is edible, the cambium, and it is medicinal. And seeds and seed pods in the spring, edible, raw or cooked. There's you some better green briar. And I'd like to find one with a nice little shoot on it, and things are yummy. Cook them shoots on that green briar. Cook them up like you would asparagus. All right, now I don't know if we're gonna find any, but there is sassafras throughout this trail. Kind of down at the other end, but every once in a while you'll see one pop up here and there on this part of the trail. Sassafras makes an excellent tea, and it grows everywhere. Be on the lookout for pawpaws. Pawpaws in the woods make excellent fruit. Anyway, we're going to have to find some food. All right, there's a small huckleberry with nothing on it. Another huckleberry. Hickory throughout. Pine trees, of course. Huckleberry. More huckleberry. American Beautyberry. All right, I actually do these videos for me, just so I can talk to myself. All righty, well, that's just about it. Now we're in more of a woodsy, piney, lots of pine trees. I really don't care for the pine tree all that much. I mean, I like it, but it seems like the stuff has a hard time growing in the pine needles. It's too acidic. All right, I'm keeping this going just so I can find a sassafras. Sassafras. Boom, right here. It's a tiny one, but it is one. All right, there you go. Sassafras tea. There's a pawpaw up here too. I don't think I'll make it. And I did lie. There's an Oregon grape. Hickory everywhere. Anyway, we're not gonna make the pawpaws. I'm going uphill and I'm slowing down. It's way far away. Anyway, we'll see you on the next one.